Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a study community Discord server in 2026. So if you want a focused study group with productivity, accountability, and active learners, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide your study niche. So it can be school subjects, university courses, exam preparation, coding, or language learning. Next, organize your server properly. I mean, create channels like announcements, study chat, resources, homework help, and doubt solving. So yeah, create voice channels for group study sessions, silent study rooms, and discussion rooms. This helps members stay focused together. Now set up roles like beginner, intermediate, and advanced learners. This keeps your community organized and motivated. So yeah, share notes, PDFs, exam tips, summaries, and useful resources. Valuable content keeps students engaged. Next, host Pomodoro study sessions, group revision hours, or Q&A sessions. This improves productivity and accountability. So yeah, use bots for reminders, timers, leveling, and study tracking. Automation helps students stay consistent. Now encourage members to check in daily. Simple habits like daily goals and progress sharing improve engagement. Finally, make your server supportive and friendly. So students should feel comfortable asking questions without fear. And that's how to create a study community Discord server in 2026. Once you combine structure, consistency, and support, your study group can become very productive and active. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.